For creating any kind of toolpad, at least you needed 3 requirements. Number 1, tool. For making any kind of toolpad, at first you have to, or at least you have to introduce your tool independent of each kind of diameter your toolpad would be calculated. So at first all you need is creating a tool. So let's see how we should create our tool. Your tool might be an end mill or a ball nose or a tip radius or a tapping or any kind of tool like that, or just a drill. All you have to do is fill in the blank and fill the requirements. Okay, just this part is enough for creating a toolpad, but we have other topic about crash test and collision test and verification, about to making sure to don't have any kind of crash in our toolpad, which is another topic, and we will talk about it in another video, not this video. Number 2, block. The block is a 3D space which our setting, our parameters will be calculated about or in the 3D area which name the block. It's kind of limitation. You know, the block behave in area clearance and in finish strategy will be little different, and I try to show you what's the difference, something like that. And number 3, your model or feature set. For creating any toolpad, it's necessary to have a model or at least a feature set. And what's the difference between them? Feature set usually used in kind of special machining, like drilling or treadmilling or tapping or maybe chamfer milling or any kind of machining like that, you know, extended treadmilling, or no, just a holder treadmilling. It's not a usual kind of toolpad, and your requirement is at least a feature set, a whole feature set. And in other kind of usual strategies, at least you have to introduce a model, because it's a requirement for calculating your toolpad. For example, you want to create a raster flat finishing. Your raster flat finishing strategy will be calculate about which kind of plan. So at least you have to create a plan in powermill based on powermill, or no, import your model, it doesn't matter, but at least you have you have to introduce or input or create a kind of I don't know, model. After adding these 3 objects, now we can start using our strategies to build any kind of strategy which we want. Alright guys, I'm Hussein and this is a CNC with channel. If you're interested in learning powermill and any topic about CNC or machining or industry manufacturing, you can follow this channel. If you like, you can follow this channel, and if you find this short video useful, you can like it too. It would be pleasure to me. And in the next video we will start calculating our strategy about the most simple models and to the most complicated. I'm not sure if I introducing you one strategy in the most simple type of model and in the most complicated one, or no, just having example about the simple models and calculating any kind of strategy about it. But I think the number 1 is better. So to the next video, bye.